What's up, YouTubers? In this video we're gonna learn how to make the Ethernet Cat5 cable. Okay, so first I will strip the cable maybe 3 inches, and then second I will separate the wires. So now we have the wires separated. I'm gonna be following this chart right here. Okay, so we gotta start with the orange. So my trick is you have to do them wire by wire, one by one. I put on my finger and I pull away, and then I put both of them, I hold both of them together and I kind of stretch it out to make sure they're like close to each other. There is no gap in between. And then we're gonna do the green. Now follow the blue. I usually press with my thumb here on this, and then I kind of pull it out and then bend it. When you bend it, it's kind of like straighten the wires. See, like I notice here the brown, the orange is kind of, even though it's twisted, but I would like to make it in the correct order. So now they look pretty good, and then I'll double check the order. So orange with stripe, orange, green with stripe, blue with stripe, green, brown with stripe, and brown. Yep, that's correct. And then you have to cut like approximately 3/4 of an inch. So you hold them straight like that, and then you cut at the same time. And then you have your connector here. So now this little tab should be facing downward, and then you gotta insert, you push them in. Yeah, when you push them in, make sure they go all the way in, and then the wires are not even twisted or anything. So do a visual check. Like this one is pretty good. Okay, and then you can use your tool to crimp them. That's it. So after that, we gotta test them, make sure they're working. So I'm using this RJ45 tester. So one end goes in here, and the other end that I did earlier goes in this probe. Hit on, and then I will do a test. Now the light has to come in sequence at the same time. There you go, it's working. So here you have it. Thank you so much for watching.